Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model a gib and cotter joint assembly. In that gib and cotter joint assembly, we have four components. One is fork, and second component is square rod, and third component is gib, and fourth component is cotter. And these all are in mm. And we are going to assemble it by using this cut section view. To do the assembly in Creo Parametric, first we need to model every component separately by using a part modeling. Then we need to assemble it by using assembly model. First we will start with the fork. For that, first go to the Creo Parametric software. Here I am using Creo Parametric 8.0. First go to new. Before that we can set the working directory. Here you can select working directory, just select working directory and choose gib and cotter joint folder. There we can save all the files. Finally we can assemble it. Now I have chosen the working directory. My working directory is gib and cotter. Now we can go for modeling the first component. Our first component is fork. Now we'll start with this fork. First go to new, part, solid, any file name we can give, untick this use default template, save OK. Now choose the template because our model is in Here you can see our model is in So these are inches, choose NS part solid absolute. Save OK. Switch on all the planes and axis. Now we'll start from now we have a orthographic view. From that we need to create a 3D model. First I'm going to create this front sketch. Then I will extrude up to the length of 38. Here the dimension they are not given the shaft length. The shaft length we can keep some dimensions. If you want to give 50 or 100 we can give it. This meaning that the shaft length will be desirable. First I am going for front plane, sketch view. First draw the center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now we'll start from any one of the edge. I am going to start from this line. This total line length is, here they have given 42 plus 47 plus 38 plus 20. So I am just going to draw this line. Press confirm. This dimension we just double click it and enter the value of 42 plus 47 plus 38 plus 20. Just enter it. Then go for fit screen. The total length of the line is 147. Then we'll create a line one by one. This line. Or we'll create a complete sketch. From that we can remove this 38 mm. First I am going to create a full sketch. Equal length. Equal length and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now I have created this complete sketch. Now we can specify the dimension. This total length is, here you can see 38 plus 12 plus 12. And this smaller dimension is, they are not, that is 12 only. So instead we can specify the dimension of 38 here. Just go for the dimension, select this line, press the roller, you will get the dimension of this line 38. And this length we can give any dimension. Here I am giving 100 because they are not given the shaft length. based on the assembly where we are using, we can take the shaft length. Now here I am taking 100. All the dimensions I have specified now. Now just say OK. We need to extrude up to the length of 38. Here also they mentioned 38 square. Then go for extrude. Here we make it symmetric. The total length is 38. Say OK. Now we have created this first extrude. Then we'll remove this cut. Select this surface. We can select by plane also. Now I am going to use this surface. Sketch view. Now just simply take a corner rectangle. Just draw a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Now this height is 12 mm. Here you can see this one is 12 and this height is 38 and this length here you can see 38 plus 47 plus 42. Simply just add 42 plus 47 plus 38. Just enter it. It will add and it will give the value which is 27. Now we have specified the dimension. Just say OK. Now we need to extrude this sketch. Just go for extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it 2 next. Make sure your material remover is selected. Save OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we need to create this cut at the top surface with a length of 12 and the location is 42 from the left side edge. So simply just rotate it here. Simply select the surface. Sketch view. Now we can take a reference also, this mid one. Then close it. Take small rectangle. Just draw a rectangle here. Press the roller to confirm. Here you can make symmetric also. This axis. Now this distance is 42. So just change this value into 42. And this total length is 47. Here you can see. This one is 47. And this thickness is 12 mm. So the cut thickness is 12 mm. 12. Now we have specified all the dimensions. So just say OK. Then go for extrude. Change the direction. Here we should not do 2 next. It will go up to this surface only. Just edit it. We need to go for through all. Then only it will remove the material throughout the body. Then make sure you are in the remove material and save OK. Now we have created almost the part. The only thing is we need to create this round. For that just choose the round. Select this edge and press the Ctrl and hold and select this edge also. Now we need to specify the radius. Here in this case they are not specifying the radius of this round. Ourselves we can take this radius as 12. Because this complete radius they have given, so we can take a radius of 12. Save OK. Now just hide all the planes. Just go for standard orientation. Now we can apply any color also. Just go for view, appearance, more appearance. By clicking this, we can choose any color. Close. Just apply to the complete part. Save OK. Now we have finished this fork. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next tutorial, we'll see how to model this square round. Thank you.